Good morning everybody and welcome to another lesson on location. Today you are looking at drawing a floor plan to scale. I apologise if you can hear munching in the background. My cat has just decided to eat at the worst time. The learning intention of today's lesson is we are learning to use simple scales, legends and directions to interpret information contained in basic maps, and to be successful in this lesson you need to be able to do the two following things. I can create a scaled floor plan with a scale. I can share my questions with an adult to follow. Alright, so by now everybody should have watched the video on the floor plan, which is about a boy and his family and their moving house, and they are looking at the floor plan. Now first let's have a look at how to draw a bird's eye view of a house. So here I have done an example of my apartment. I've labelled all the doors, as you can see, the entry, and I have drawn to scale, which I'm about to show you, the size of the rooms. So we know that 1 centimetre equals 1 metre. So you can see on my lounge room there is 7 squares across and 7 squares down to show the area of 7 by 7 metres of my lounge room. Now, how do I draw the rooms to scale? Let's have a look. How do I measure the area of each room? Now, I'm about to show you a video that I have put together of exactly how to measure the length and width of your room and how to draw those measurements to scale. I'm going to show you how to measure a room in your house. So here I have a measuring tape that goes up to roughly 1.5 meters. So these small numbers down the bottom are showing me the centimetres. So starting with the measuring tape all the way up to one end, I need to see how many centimetres long is this room. So we can see here it is roughly 1 metre and 42 centimetres. So in my book, I'm going to write the width as 1.46 centimetres, or 1 metre and 46 centimetres. I can also measure this with a ruler. So let's have a look. So I know this is a 30 centimetre ruler. So there is the first 30 centimetres, making sure I'm starting at the same point. And we've got 60 centimetres. It's close to the measuring tape. There is 90 centimetres. No, there is 100 centimetres in a metre. And 90. There is 100 centimetres, so a metre. And it'll be roughly 20 centimetres after. Or 40 centimetres, so 1.42 centimetres. Now let's have a look at the length. And take my tape measure and measure the length. So across the length of the floor. So again, looking at the width of the room. So we know that this tape measure is about 1.5 meters, or 1 metre and 60 centimetres, pretty close. So putting that along with the length of the bathroom. So we can see that this point here is 1 metre and 52 centimetres, but I have not measured to the very end of the bathroom, so I need to work out what the total length of my bathroom is. So from here I'm going to mark just after the tiles here and bring the tape measure up to this point here. So again, I started from where the last tape measure finished and gone right over to the door, which is roughly another, I'm going to be looking at the little one, roughly another 53 centimetres. So looking at the measurements here, we know the width is 1 metre and 45 centimetres, and the length is 1 metre 56 plus another 53 centimetres. So you can see there for the length I have added 1 metre 56 together with 53 centimetres to get 2 metres and 9 centimetres. Now, how am I going to draw this into a graph? Let's have a look. So here we have our measurement. We we know that the width of the bathroom is 1.1 metre and 45 centimetres, and we know that 1 centimetre equals 1 metre. So first of all, let's look at how many metres are in the width. 1. So I know that starting from the edge, my bathroom square is going to be roughly just under 1.5 squares. It's just under 1.5 metres. So we can see here that because there is my first 1 metre for 1 metre 45, I've done roughly just under half of the second box. As you know, it's not a complete metre, it's just under half metre, so it's half a box. And then the length of the bathroom is 2 metres and 9 centimetres. So there is 1 metre, 2 metres, we know that 1 centimetre equals 1 metre, and then just a slight 1/10, almost 1/10 of the next box for the 9 centimetres. So you see there is 2 metres and 9 centimetres down. And one full box for 1 metre, and just under half a box for the 45 centimetres. So 1 metre, 45 across, and 2 metres and 9 centimetres down. And that there, in my floor plan, would be the size of my bathroom to scale. Good luck!